Welcome to CreamSoda's practice management solution. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through integrating your Google or Microsoft account to enhance your practice's efficiency and streamline client interactions. By connecting your Google or Microsoft account to CreamSoda, you can effortlessly log client communications, send emails, manage your calendar availability, schedule appointments, and seamlessly sync your contacts all in one place. To begin, click on the name in the top right corner. Select My Profile from the drop-down menu. Within your profile, navigate to the Integrations tab to access the available account connections. Here you'll find options to connect your Google or Microsoft account. Click on the appropriate button based on your email provider. If prompted, sign into your Google or Microsoft account to authorize the integration. If you're already signed in, you may proceed directly to granting permissions. Review the permissions requested by CreamSoda, which include access to your email, calendar, and contacts. Rest assured, we prioritize your data security and privacy utilizing end-to-end encryption and compliant data storage practices. Click Accept to proceed. Once connected, configure the features you'd like to sync with CreamSoda. Click on the Sync button beside the connected account to access these options. To sync your email with CreamSoda, simply enable the Sync Your Email with CreamSoda option. This feature lets CreamSoda monitor your emails, automatically linking them to client profiles for seamless tracking. Additionally, you can send marketing emails directly from your connected accounts through CreamSoda. Customize your sync by selecting specific folders like Inbox and Sent items to ensure all relevant communications are captured efficiently. Enable calendar synchronization if you are using your connected account's calendar to manage your availability and book your appointments. This integration ensures that all scheduled sessions are accurately reflected in both your connected accounts and CreamSoda calendars. Sync your contacts to keep client information up to date across platforms. This ensures that any updates made in your Google or Microsoft contacts are reflected in CreamSoda, facilitating efficient client management. When syncing new, you can choose between enrichment and overriding options. Enrichment adds missing details without changing existing information, while overriding replaces all existing data in CreamSoda with the latest from your address book. Select the option that best fits your workflow. Integrating your accounts enhances your practice management by centralizing communications, appointments, and client information. This streamlined approach allows you to focus more on providing quality care to your clients. If you prefer not to connect your external accounts, CreamSoda offers built-in email and calendar functionalities to manage your practice effectively without external integrations. Thank you for watching.